Welcome back to Bez Reviews. Today, we're diving into the HP OMEN 16 Max gaming laptop, a machine that promises serious power for both gaming and creative tasks. This laptop features cutting-edge components and a high-resolution display designed to deliver an immersive experience. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's kick things off by evaluating the raw power and visual experience this OMEN. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU with 8GB of GDDR5 memory, paired with the AMD Ryzen AI 7H. Its 16-inch WQXGA display offers a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution, a blazing 240Hz refresh rate, and 500 nits brightness with 100%. With a massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a spacious 2TB PCIe SSD, this laptop ensures lightning-fast load. The AMD Ryzen AI 7H 350 processor, with its 8 cores and 16 threads peaking at 5. Overall, the HP OMEN 16 Max truly excels in delivering a high-performance gaming and visual experience. Now, let's look at how well this laptop connects to your other devices. You get a fantastic selection of ports, including 2 USB Type-C 40 gigabits per second with power delivery and DisplayPort, HDMI 2. The shadow black finish and 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard give it a sleek, customizable look, while it's at $2,399. This laptop sits at a premium price point, but it delivers top-tier, next-gen components like the RTX 5070. The product brief provides excellent detail on all critical components, including the specific GPU, CPU, display capabilities, and a comprehensive. In summary, this OMEN 16 Max provides outstanding connectivity and solid overall design, though it's premium. Ultimately, the HP OMEN 16 Max gaming laptop stands out as a formidable machine. It delivers on its promise of top-tier performance with its advanced CPU and GPU, paired with a truly excellent high-resolution display.